of the It Mom. I wanted to give you a short introduction of who I am and why I'm starting this YouTube channel. Basically, I'm a wife of 5.5 years, been with my husband for the last 10. We have 2 daughters, a 3.5-year-old named Mila and a 19-month-old named Alessia. I live in New York City and live in the suburbs of Long Island. So I decided to start this YouTube channel just recently because I've been watching YouTube for probably the last 18 months and looking at these unboxings and of all these beautiful women posting videos, fashion advice, and lifestyle, but you don't get a full take on a working mom who comes home every day at 8, who shops but doesn't really show anything off because basically they spend their entire day at work or at home with their kids. So today I actually have a special unboxing of something that I'm very passionate about. Very passionate about. I love luxury lifestyles, pretty homes, pretty everything basically. But this one in particular is something that if you live in New York City, you would totally understand. So this is the 20p collection and I will unbox it for you. This is not a true unboxing, by the way. I did do it on Instagram, Lifestyle of the It Mom, if you'd like to follow me. Your receipt from the New York Soho store. It's a very large dust bag. And this is the Chanel deauville in black and gray with the fading black lettering. The inside is very large. The authenticity card. Sorry, the 29 series. And this is the 20p. So as I was saying, this is from the 20p collection. And it's the new Chanel deauville in black and charcoal gray. Is a very, very large bag. The premise behind buying this bag was to be a little bit more different than the others. In New York City, if you're from here, you will understand that never-fulls are everywhere. I am a big, huge Louis Vuitton lover, so I am classic Louis Vuitton never-full type gal. But after a while, you kind of realize that you wanted to be a little bit different. Buying a Chanel is not being different necessarily. It's more like you don't see them as often. So if you're gonna buy a staple piece, I decided to buy a Chanel too. At least I could be a working mom, and when I'm at home on the weekend with the girls, I can still carry diapers and water bottles in this pretty bag. So if you like this type of content, versatility versus practicality, please follow my channel and subscribe, or follow me on Instagram at Lifestyle of the It Mom. Thanks.